Hi everyone, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're diving into something super sweet and exciting, starting a cake decorating business. Whether you're a seasoned baker or just starting out, we've got tips and ideas to help you thrive in this creative and profitable industry. From custom cakes to dessert tables, we'll explore different avenues you can explore and the steps to take to make your cake business a success. So grab your aprons, preheat those ovens, and let's get baking. All right, let's start with the heart of many cake businesses, custom cakes for events. These are cakes specifically designed to match a particular theme or celebration. Think weddings, birthdays, baby showers, corporate events, you name it. The key here is to offer something unique and personalized. Maybe it's a cake shaped like a stack of favorite books for a bookworm's birthday, or a cake with delicate sugar flowers cascading down the sides for an elegant wedding. Don't be afraid to get creative with flavors too. Go beyond the classic vanilla and chocolate. How about a zesty lemon cake with raspberry filling or a rich chocolate cake with salted caramel buttercream? Communication is key. Listen carefully to your client's vision. Look at any inspiration pictures they have, and don't be afraid to offer your own suggestions and expertise. When it comes to pricing, make sure you're factoring in the cost of ingredients, your time, the complexity of the design, and any delivery or setup fees. Creating custom cakes for events is all about bringing joy and deliciousness to special occasions. So, put on your creative hats and let's get baking. Let's talk about cupcakes and mini desserts. These bite-sized treats are perfect for those who want something smaller or for larger events where you need a variety of options. Cupcakes are like blank canvases for your creativity. You can do so much with different frostings, sprinkles, and decorations. Think about fun themes like unicorn cupcakes with rainbow frosting and edible glitter, or spooky Halloween cupcakes with spiderweb icing and little candy eyeballs. But don't stop at cupcakes. Consider other mini desserts like cake pops, macarons, cookies, and even mini cheesecakes. Packaging is key for these little treats. Invest in some cute cupcake boxes or individual dessert cups to make them look extra special. You can even add your logo or a thank you sticker for a personal touch. Pricing your cupcakes and mini desserts will depend on the complexity of the decorations and the ingredients used. Remember, presentation is everything. Arrange your mini desserts on a tiered stand or in a beautiful display case to entice customers. So, get your piping bags ready and let's create some adorable and delicious mini treats. Okay, now let's talk about cake decorating services. This is where you can really showcase your artistic skills and create some jaw-dropping masterpieces. Learn how to create beautiful sugar flowers, three-dimensional designs, and even edible images to take your cakes to the next level. Practice makes perfect. Don't be afraid to experiment with different techniques and tools. There are tons of online tutorials and classes available to help you master the art of cake decorating. Invest in high-quality decorating tools. A good set of piping tips, spatulas, fondant smoothers, and edible paints will make a world of difference in your work. Offer different levels of decorating complexity. You can have basic designs with simple frosting and sprinkles, all the way up to elaborate multi-tiered cakes with intricate sugarwork. Pricing your decorating services can be tricky. It's best to charge by the hour or by the complexity of the design. Be transparent with your pricing and make sure you're factoring in the cost of your time and materials. But most importantly, have fun. Cake decorating should be an enjoyable and creative outlet. So grab your piping bags and let's create some edible works of art. It's so important to cater to everyone's sweet tooth, and that means offering vegan, gluten-free, and allergy-friendly options. Trust me, there's a huge demand for delicious cakes that cater to dietary restrictions. More and more people are following vegan, gluten-free, or dairy-free diets, and they deserve to enjoy a beautiful and delicious cake too. Start by experimenting with different recipes and ingredients. There are amazing vegan butter substitutes, gluten-free flours, and egg replacements available that will allow you to create cakes that taste just as good as traditional recipes. Label your creations clearly. When you're selling at markets or events, make sure your vegan, gluten-free, and allergy-friendly options are clearly labeled. Consider offering a separate menu or section on your website dedicated to these options. This will make it easier for customers to find what they're looking for. Providing inclusive options not only expands your customer base, but also shows that you care about catering to everyone's needs. It's all about spreading the love and cake to everyone. So let's get baking some inclusive and delicious treats that everyone can enjoy. Let's talk about cake tasting sessions. These are a fun and delicious way for clients to sample your creations and choose their favorites. Cake tastings are especially popular for weddings and large events. It gives couples or event planners the opportunity to try different cake flavors, fillings, and frostings before making a decision. Create a dedicated tasting menu. Offer a selection of your most popular cake flavors and fillings. You can have mini cupcakes or small cake slices arranged on a platter for easy sampling. Set a comfortable and inviting atmosphere. If you have a storefront or dedicated space for tastings, decorate it in a way that reflects your brand and makes clients feel special. Guide your clients through the tasting. Explain the different flavors and textures and answer any questions they may have. Take notes on their preferences to help them narrow down their choices. Offer beverage pairings. Consider offering coffee, tea, or even sparkling wine to complement the cake flavors. Cake tasting sessions are a great way to connect with your clients, showcase your skills, and help them create the cake of their dreams. Now let's talk about themed cakes. These are cakes that are specifically designed to match a particular event or theme, and they are so much fun to create. Think about popular themes like superheroes, princesses, sports, movies, or even hobbies. The possibilities are endless, and you can really let your creativity shine. Use fondant, buttercream, and edible decorations to bring your themes to life. You can create edible figurines, logos, or even entire scenes on your cakes. Offer themed cake pops or cupcakes to complement the main cake. This creates a cohesive look for the dessert table and provides more options for guests. Research popular trends and themes to stay ahead of the curve. What are kids into these days? What movies are popular? Staying current will help you attract more clients. Themed cakes are all about bringing a little bit of magic and excitement to special occasions. So, let your imagination run wild and create some unforgettable cake creations. All right, let's talk about corporate branding cakes. These are cakes that are designed to incorporate a company's logo, colors, or branding elements. These cakes are perfect for corporate events, product launches, company anniversaries, or even client gifts. They're a unique and delicious way for businesses to promote their brand and make a lasting impression. Work closely with the company to understand their branding guidelines. This includes their logo usage, color palette, and any specific messaging they want to convey. Incorporate the company's logo into the cake design. You can create edible logos using fondant, edible images, or even hand-painted details. Use the company's brand colors in the frosting, decorations, and even the cake itself. For example, if the company's colors are blue and green, you could create a blue velvet cake with green buttercream frosting and decorate it with white chocolate accents. Consider creating individual cupcakes or mini desserts with the company logo. These are great for giveaways or as part of a larger dessert display. Corporate branding cakes are a fun and effective way to combine your baking skills with your marketing savvy. So put on your entrepreneurial hats and let's create some delicious brand ambassadors. Let's talk about cake and dessert buffets. These are a feast for the eyes and the stomach, offering a variety of sweet treats for guests to enjoy. Dessert buffets are perfect for weddings, parties, and corporate events. They add a touch of elegance and abundance to any celebration. Offer a variety of desserts. Include cakes, cupcakes, cookies, macarons, cake pops, and other bite-sized treats to cater to different tastes. Create a visually appealing display. Use tiered cake stands, decorative platters, and elegant servingware to showcase your creations. Label each dessert clearly. This will help guests identify what they're choosing and avoid any allergy concerns. Provide serving utensils and napkins for a polished presentation. Small plates and forks will also make it easier for guests to enjoy the treats. Dessert buffets are all about creating a memorable and indulgent experience for your guests. So let your creativity shine and design a dessert spread that will have everyone raving. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more business ideas and baking tips. Starting a cake decorating business is an exciting adventure, and I'm so excited for you to share your delicious creations with the world. Remember to stay true to your passion, be creative, and never stop learning. Happy baking!